Hello Kanna, I hope that you all are fit and fine, and let me tell you that I am completely fine as well. This video is only for CA intermediate students who are going to write their examinations in September 2025. I know Kanna that September 25 examinations are right around the corner and you are totally stressed out as to how you are going to manage your preparations, especially with regards to direct tax, which comes in the examination just for 50 marks, but it's a huge syllabus which is very difficult to cover in such a short span of time. So in this video we are going to see how you are going to revise direct tax, how you are going to solve the questions, are there any amendments for September 2025 examinations, how you are going to attend the mock test, and finally I will give you some tips for your preparation of direct tax examination. Now, before beginning the video, as usual, my request to you is to please like this video Kanna. Let us have a like target of 40 likes on this video. I am sure that you will help me achieve this target. Now, without further ado, let us begin CA Intermediate Direct Tax Preparation Strategy for September 2025. Firstly, let us start with revision. Sir, how should we revise the concepts? And Kanna, mark my words, I am talking about revision, I am not talking about learning, because with about 50 days left for your examination, your learning should have been complete, your concepts should be clear, your base study of the study material should be complete at this point. But sir, that's what I am worried about. My concepts itself are not cleared and such a little amount of time is left for the examination. In such case, what to do? Don't worry, I am going to give you a solution for that also in this video. Watch till the very end. So firstly, let us discuss about revision. From where are you going to revise for your examinations? The best source is to revise from your own notes. So when you were studying from the study material, you would have made the notes, study from those notes. Or sometimes what students will do, they will highlight the important points or words in the study material itself. In such case, study only from the highlighted part. Sir, should I study from the study material now? Answer is no. The study material is huge, more than 1200 pages, and the time left is too little. That is why don't take the risk of studying the entire study material. You will waste a lot of time or use up a lot of time for the preparation, which will affect the other subjects also. So better to study from your own notes. Sir, I have not made the notes, but I went to CA classes for direct tax. In such case, your faculty would have given you the notes. So study from the notes which were given to you in your classroom. Sir, that also I am not having or I have not maintained properly. Then what to do? Then no worry. Last option, I have given you my own notes free of cost on Telegram channel. It is very successful. I have gotten a very good feedback about my notes from the students who have written exams earlier. You can download those notes, and also using those notes you can watch all the chapters revision lectures which are available on my YouTube channel, with which you will be able to revise and summarize all the concepts very quickly. Now let's come to the students who are not yet fully thorough with the concepts. In such case, what to do? I have a solution for you. If your concepts are still not up to the mark and you need a quick fix, then the quick fix is the CA Intermediate Power Prep Batch. This Power Prep Batch I took for May 2025 examination and it was a huge success. I got a very good feedback about the batch and I am going to take the batch again for September 2025. Hence, I would recommend that you come and attend the face-to-face Power Prep batch. The vibe itself is different and you are able to, in a group atmosphere, you are able to revise all the concepts clearly in a quick amount of time, and even your understanding about the concept is clear. You can personally come and ask me the doubts anytime. I will stay till late and I will be clearing all of your doubts in the live batch. This will be happening in July end in Chennai in Tarun's Brainery. So if you want to join the batch, you can contact the Tarun's Brainery team. They will tell you about the dates, the timing, the pricing, etc. You can contact them and join the batch. But sir, I am not there in Chennai, I am there in any other city. In such case, you can join the online live batch. But sir, in July end, I am having other commitments, so I am not able to attend the batch. In such case, you can purchase the recorded lecture. The May 2025 recorded Power Prep batch, I have already put it on my website. to purchase at a very nominal price, I am attaching the link in the description box. You can go there and purchase that batch. But sir, I don't know how you are going to take in the Power Prep batch. No problem at all. You go to my YouTube channel and you can see the capital gain chapter. Entire capital gain chapter I have uploaded free of cost on YouTube from my Power Prep batch. You can use it as a demo lecture. So see this capital gain chapter, you will get an idea as to how I am going to take the other chapters also. Based on that, you can take a decision. Fine. I hope now your problem is solved. Now let us come to amendments. Sir, are there any amendments for September 2025 examination? Answer is no. May 2025 la enna padichamo apde September 2025 la elutanu. So as usual, whatever is applicable for May 25, same is applicable for September 25. But sir, I did not write May 25 exams. I wrote the exams in January 26. In that case, definitely there are loads of amendments for your examination. All those amendments are also available free of cost on my YouTube channel. You can go there along with notes. You can study all the amendments for September 25. No worries. Now let's come to practicing questions. Let us talk about practical questions. Okay, the practical questions where you are going to solve. Sir, do I need to purchase any question bank from the market? Kanna, whatever I am going to tell you, if you have already solved those, then you go for outside question bank. If this itself you have not solved, then no use of question bank. First you solve this, then we will talk about question bank. Okay, so ICAI study material, all the questions in the illustrations and book back of all the chapters of institute study material you are going to solve, number 1. Then solve all the questions in revision test paper of May 25 and September 2025. Then there are 2 mock tests for May 25. Solve both the mock tests, and there will be 2 mock tests for September 2025. Those 2 mock tests I want you to write as a examination. Okay, so without seeing, you are going to solve everything. Without that, within the 3-hour time limit. Within the 3-hour time limit. Okay, then suggested answers. Suggested answer for May 2025 is also fortunately available. This time institute has been very fast, you know. Within time they announce the result for CA Foundation, CA Intermediate, CA Final in the same time, and next day itself they have given the suggested answer of May 2025 also. And one more boon, they have given the MCQ booklet for May 2025 also to the students. So that is also available. Now let's come to multiple choice questions. Kanna, for multiple choice questions, the number 1 type of preparation that you are going to do is coverage of syllabus, because MCQs can come from anywhere. Hence your entire syllabus should be complete. Then only you will be able to attend the MCQs properly. After that, for MCQ practice, what you are going to do, refer the case study booklet which is given by ICAI. You can go to the BOS knowledge portal, download the case study booklet, take a printout and then solve all the questions. Then let's come to RTP of May 2025, September 25. So solve all the MCQs in there, and RTP 1 and RTP 2 of May 2025 also you are going to solve. Sir, what about September 25? Both the mock test I want you to write as an examination. Fine. So that you have good writing and exam practice. And lastly, suggested answer of May 2025. Now I have already told you this, at least 2 mock tests you are going to write for your September 2025 exam preparation. And listen, this mock test 1 and mock test 2 is there, no? I don't want you to give the question answer sheet to the institute. Rather, after writing the entire answer, I want you to keep the answer sheet with yourself and correct it yourself. Don't submit it in the institute, because if you submit it in the institute, you don't know when you will get the corrected papers back. It is better practice to correct it yourself, so that within time you are able to know your mistakes. Now comes very important part. Memorize these chapters now itself. Kanna, these chapters which I am going to tell, generally what happens, you know, these are memory based chapters. If you are not memorizing the content, you will not be able to replicate or reciprocate in the examinations. So generally students try to memorize this in the last moment, which is not possible because the time available itself is very less, and because of that they are not able to attend the questions in the examinations. That is why this is the pro tip that I am giving you. These 4 chapters I want you to memorize thoroughly now itself. What are they? Normal tax rates, 115 BAC, special tax rates, the salary chapter, entire salary chapter, deductions chapter, TDS, TCS, advanced tax and interest related provisions. All this I want you to memorize now itself. Without seeing the book, you should be able to recite the entire chapter. That should be your memory level. For help, you can take my notes. From my notes, you will be able to memorize comparatively easier. Now, lastly, make a 1.5 day timetable now itself. In the 1.5 days before the examinations, how are you going to study? Because taxation is a huge subject consisting of both income tax as well as GST. For both combined, you are getting only 1.5 days time. So how are you going to cover everything? Now itself, along with timing, from 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock, what you are going to study, from 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock, what you are going to study, all that you write down and keep now itself, so that while preparation itself, you know that during the exam, I am only going to get this much amount of time to revise this chapter. Hence, you will study accordingly. This same strategy, what I have given for the entire direct tax, you can also apply to other subjects or other papers to revise for the September 2025 examination. I am sure that this video would have helped you. If yes, please support by sharing this video to your other friends, and also let me know some encouraging words in the comment section below. See you in the next video, Kanna. You are going to rock in the examinations. Bye bye.